Most people dream of becoming rich, but billionaires, they don't dream, they design their wealth. The difference between the rich and the poor isn't luck, it's mindset. Today, we'll uncover how billionaires think about money and how you can start thinking like them. Welcome to LuxEmpire, where success begins with the right mindset. For billionaires, time is more valuable than money. Most people trade hours for dollars, but the rich, they create systems that make money even while they sleep. They invest in businesses, in people, and in ideas that multiply their time. Every minute they spend must have a purpose, either to grow, to learn, or to earn. Because once time is gone, no amount of money can buy it back. The poor see money as something to show off. The rich see money as a tool to build freedom. Billionaires don't chase money for luxury. They chase it for control. Control over their time, their choices, and their future. Every dollar they earn has a mission: to bring back more dollars and to create stability for generations to come. The poor fear losing money. The rich fears losing opportunity. Billionaires understand that every great fortune started with a calculated risk. They study deeply, plan wisely, and then take bold action. Fear never stops them. It only sharpens their focus. They don't ask, "Oh, what if I fail?" They ask, "What if this works?" Knowledge is the one thing billionaires never stop investing in. They read more books, listen to more ideas, and surround themselves with smarter people. 'Cause money can disappear, businesses can fall, but knowledge, once gained, never leaves. The more you learn, the more you earn. Billionaires think in decades, not days. They plant trees today to enjoy the shade 10 years later. While most people chase quick wins, the super-rich build empires one step at a time. Patience, focus, and consistency, these are their silent superpowers. If you truly want to think like a billionaire, start valuing your time more than money. Treat every dollar as a soldier. Send it out to fight for your freedom. And never stop investing in your mind, because wealth isn't built by chance. It's built by choice. This is LuxEmpire, where we uncover the mindset of success. Subscribe now and join the empire.